Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. I totally did the hat thing and you guys just couldn't see it. This is a flashlight review video. My friends over at Olight, still can't see that either, sent me in a flashlight to review and I wanted to show you how bright this thing was. This is kind of crazy. This is a 1000 lumen cool white light and it has a couple of different settings. And of course you can't show what a flashlight does if it's not dark out. Let's go get some light on. One more thing. It does this cool laser pointer thing too. Oh, that's wicked. It's probably ruining my camera lens. But science! I wanted to talk a little bit about the arc fill. This is a pretty cool little flashlight that Olight sent over to me. It has a couple of features that you guys might be interested in. First off, it is USB rechargeable. It's not your typical USB connector. This is kind of a MagSafe thing that Olight has for a lot of their different flashlights. So if you have more than one Olight, you can charge them all on the same thing. The other cool thing that this has is that laser pointer that I showed you last night. And you're not gonna be able to see that because, you know, it's daylight out and I'm shining it at a camera. I could shine it into the camera again, but I really don't want to do that because something in me just says that's bad. The flashlight itself, 1000 lumens. I like the way that they ship this thing. The packaging is really nice. And you know, you can say that packaging isn't that big of a deal, but it makes you feel like you've really bought something that's made of, you know, quality stuff. And I've had Olight gear for years. You can see I've had a regular Olight flashlight. This one is too big for everyday carry in my mind, I think. Unless I had a belt holster and I've already got enough stuff on my belt and I don't need anything else. So this one rides by my nightstand to keep me protected at night from the things that go bump. And then I have this Streamlight 1AA model. So it's a single AA that I have replaced with this here for the last couple of weeks. I charged this once and let it run for 2 weeks so far. No problem, still full brightness, no issues. And when it dips down, I'll just stick it on the USB charger like I do most of the other devices in my life today. When you get it, it's gonna come locked. So you'll need to push and hold the button to unlock it, and sometimes you'll push and hold the button and relock it. So just keep that in mind. They do give you this big, long, orange read me first type deal that says, hey, unlock the thing because we don't want it to go dead in shipping or cause any problems in shipping because this is a big, bright LED flashlight. And if we left it on for the boat trip over, it'd probably get pretty hot and cause problems. I found this really cool message inside of the box. I thought this was really a nice touch. You know, it's a thank you. And that's kind of lost in today's world. There's a lot of places where people will ship you products and good luck, have a nice day. But this company seems to care. And like I said, I've had Olight products for a while now and I'm pretty happy with them. This thing comes in a variety of colors. I picked the orange one because I didn't want to lose it in the grass or anything like that. They do have it in black and OD green and blue, a couple of other things. It's a pretty neat little flashlight. You can get it in two different brightness kinds, cool white and neutral white. I got the cool white version. I'm pretty happy with this. I think, I'm probably wrong, but I think the cool white might be a little tiny bit brighter. It's measured in Kelvin as to which one puts out which kind of color, and that's kind of a personal preference thing. Okay, so this is a pretty cool feature. The charging connector is magnetic, so it doesn't fall off while you're charging, which is a good thing. You actually want to get it charged. But the other cool part is it'll stick to metallic surfaces. So you can stick this under the hood of your car or you can stick it on your workbench or whatever, and it's pretty good. It has a belt clip or a pocket clip, so you can do it like you do with your pocket knives. One on each side, I guess, because I have my pocket knife on my strong hand, my dominant hand, and then I have an empty slot in my other pocket. But I'm not the pocket flashlight wearing kind. I just dropped this inside my pocket with my other gear, so I might remove the clip. It is waterproof like you'd expect, which is fantastic for a flashlight because it's going to be in all kinds of conditions just like you are. So a little over 4 inches tall and almost an inch wide. Good convenient size. You know me, I like that bag they're showing in the photo there. There is a discount code TOHR10 that'll get you 10% off of this light, and there is a link down in the description below for you to grab one of these if you're interested. There is a video right over here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.